Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to start a BMW 7 Series with a key. First, locate your BMW key fob. Many models have a specific slot on the dashboard or steering column where the key fob needs to be inserted. Gently push the key fob into this slot until it is fully seated. This action allows the car's system to recognize the key and prepare for ignition. Make sure it clicks into place securely. Once the key fob is in place, firmly press your foot on the brake pedal. This is a crucial safety step before starting the engine. Next, locate the engine start/stop button, usually found on the dashboard. Press and hold this button for a few seconds until the engine fully turns over and starts. You should hear the engine engage and the dashboard lights illuminate, indicating a successful start. If your key fob battery is low or dead, you might need to use the physical key hidden inside the fob. Remove the physical key and locate the traditional keyhole, often found on the steering column. Insert the physical key and turn it to the on position, then to start to crank the engine. This method bypasses the electronic recognition and allows for a manual start. Always keep a spare key fob battery in your glove compartment. It's a small investment that saves a lot of hassle. Also, regularly check your car's main battery health, especially in extreme temperatures, to avoid unexpected starting issues. For more helpful tips and product recommendations, check the description below for links to great deals, including those fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.